The sprawling refugee camp of Kakuma, countless individuals and families have fled conflict, persecution and hardship. They have come here in search of a better future.
So we have been from our home having a different reason from free our country, but when we are here, we are being united. And what unites us, it is our culture. That is why when we are here, we can see and joy in our on our face. So all of us here, we are so happy.
In the heart of East Africa, where life's challenges are met with resilience and hope, there's a festival that brings together the rich tapestry of cultures and stories that have found refuge here. Welcome to Kakuma Sound Cultural Music Festival, supported by UNESCO, UNHCR Amnesty and Rockslide.
We're very lucky to get a sponsorship by UNESCO, the United Nations Education and Scientific Cooperation Organization. Most of you know them because they do the education, the schools in refugee camps. But here in an unprecedented collaboration, we have UNESCO and UNHCR working together to help preserve the heritage, the traditional heritage of refugees, and even more to help build new cultures, to help build and create new music for the future.
We are very happy to be here. It has been a fantastic, vibrant, colorful time. I know that last year was fantastic, but this year is looking good. All we want to do is celebrate with you. Tunajua, when we come together, there is peace, there is harmony. When you understand each other, when you understand each other's culture, we can do nothing but celebrate it and celebrate our culture. So we are here to celebrate with you, and for sure, because of what we've seen, we want to continue to support this financially so that we continue and to show the world that there is talent in Kakuma. And we really, really appreciate all the people who've come and dressed and danced and enjoyed themselves. So asanteni sana.
The heartbeat of festival is music. Refugees from different corners of continent and beyond have converged here to create symphony that transcends borders and languages.
Feel so happy. I have met with other tribes which I have never met before, which promote unity among us. We know each other, and also I see the different instruments which I have never met, but I only heard about the instruments, but I have never touched them. And I don't know how to play them. As for now, I touch some of them and I know how to play. And I like us to continue as Kakuma Sound to grow up so that we can also teach our community to know also about this instrument.
From the rhythmic beats of East Africa drums to soulful melodies of the Horn of Africa, and from Saharan desert blues to tropical rhythms of the Great Lakes. The festival stage is a canvas of cultural diversity.
What we have realized is Kakuma has a very rich, intangible cultural heritage that has not been documented. It is also interesting to know that Kakuma is not just one thing. You'll realize that we have so many nationalities again. We have people from Sudan, South Sudan, Burundi, Rwanda, and there are many. And you can see this mosaic of cultures coming together enrich the very fabric of Kakuma.
I'm surprised. I've seen people from Sudan, Ethiopia, from Rwanda, Congo, and some from Uganda. And these instruments have really given them the talent to expose their joy. And the way they are here, they have really unified them, and each one of them would like to show their communal song, which is a very good thing for them. So I'm also happy that to see these are African local instruments, and where nowadays people are almost gone to the Western kind of instruments. But I'm happy this group has embraced it, and I hope they will go beyond and teach many other communities and even join the Kenyan music festivals.
Sherehe leo masaidizi kwa sababu anaonyesha wala wadogo ajue makalcha yao. Angalia culture bila ilikuwa anianza nayo mpaka sasa hivi. Juu bila culture mtoto hawezi jua maisha ni namna gani. Na hawezi jua wakati ambayo babu yake ilikuwa alifanya namna gani kwa culture yao.
Kama mtu wa Kongo sikuwa najua ndakutanana wapi na mtu wa South Sudan, lakini kuhusu ikancha tumekutanana na tunacheza pamoja, kupiga ngoma tutapiga pamoja, na wanatufunza nyimbo za kwao na tunawafunza nyimbo za kwetu.
Siku ya leo ametusaidia juu tumeuza na tunaendelea pia kuuza. Tunaweza bracelets na tunatengeneza baskets na tunashona mabags. Bags tukifanya pamoja na wamama, host community na refugee.
Tunataka kufufua kambi ikuwe tourism attraction center, where mtu anatoka Amerika kikuja hivi anakuja kuona Kakuma hizi culture zao ziko nini na nini. Hizo vitu tunataka kuonesha.
Afrika wanaweza kujiunga pamoja, tutengeneze huu muziki. We will be feared the world over. When these people start to play their drums, you feel the courage, you feel where we are going as a continent.
As the festivals unfold, the local community joins in celebration. It's a testament to how music can bridge the cultures and create bonds that transcends background and circumstances.
Kutupa ukweli ni kubaya, mpaka kukiwa kuzuri unashindwa nini mbaya.
Kakuma Sound Festival, supported by UNESCO, exemplifies the magic that happens when cultures collide and music become the universal language of resilience.